Hello guys, you are welcome on my YouTube channel. My name is Mahendra and I have more than 2 years of experience in information technology. Guys, in this Java complete course, I will teach you Java from starting to end. This is the first lecture of the Java complete course series, and this course is beginners friendly. If you are complete beginner, then also you are able to understand the Java programming. So first thing first, guys, what we will do in this lecture, I want to summarize this lecture. What we will do in this lecture, we will see the history of Java. After seeing the history of Java, we will see the different components used for running your Java program, like JDK, Java compiler, Java interpreter, JVM. Okay, I will teach you about these all topics, and after that, guys, what we will do, we will install JDK on our computer, and then we will run our first Java, and not only run, we will create our first Java program, then we will run the first Java program also. So guys, let's get started without wasting your time. I want to start with the basic definition and with the history of Java. So this chapter name, or you can say this lecture name, is Introduction to Java, and in this you will see what is Java basically. So guys, Java is the general purpose and the most popular object-oriented programming language. I can say there are billions of devices running on Java. Okay, so the thing that comes in your mind is that who created Java. So Java was developed by James Gosling. You can see the picture of that person on my screen. So James Gosling created Java in 1991 at Sun Microsystems. Now the Sun Microsystems has been taken by the Oracle, and initially he called this language as O. So the important aspect of Java is that it was the first programming language designed from the ground up with networking in mind and internet. So you can say Java is the language of internet also. Okay, so like you can say, sir, I understand what you are saying, that Java is the programming language, but I'm not able to understand the meaning of this object oriented. So don't worry about that term, object oriented programming language. Okay, in the upcoming lectures, when the concept of classes and objects will introduce, I will brief you, I will guide you what is the meaning of the object oriented. Now I will just ask you, I just want to tell you, just learn it, that it is the object oriented. Don't worry, I will prove you, I will teach you about that particular thing. So apart of that, the thing that comes in your mind is that, sir, if I will learn Java, what can I do? What are the applications of Java? So there are so many applications of Java. Here you can see, like if you know Java, okay, you can develop the mobile applications, you can develop the web-based applications, okay, and there are so many. So you will see the applications of Java in the slide. Here you can see mobile app development, desktop GUI applications, web-based applications, gaming applications, big data technologies, distributed applications, cloud-based applications, IoT applications. Okay, so I request you now, don't go too much deep that what are cloud-based applications if you are complete beginner. Okay, what are big data technologies? Now you must stick with this mobile app development, because I can say you can see the mobile applications in your I can say that maybe you are using the mobile applications on your Android phone. Okay, these mobile applications are written with the help of Java. Okay, so now we will understand JDK. So before understanding JDK, the things that comes in your mind that, sir, I also want to create the mobile applications, I also want to write the Java program. So before writing any Java program, okay, for that you need to understand and need to download the JDK. So what is JDK? Okay, and I will teach you about what is JDK. And without JDK, we cannot run our Java program. Okay, so here is the fourth slide. You can see what is JDK. So JDK stands for Java Development Kit, and it is a software package that Oracle has made available to public for free of cost. You can download it. You just need to go to the Oracle official website and then you can download the JDK and you can install the JDK on your computer. It consists all the required components for running your Java program. In simple language, you can say it is a set of tools, okay, used for running your Java program. Okay. Now here you can see JDK consists Java compiler. Okay, Java compiler compile your source code and convert it to the bytecode. So those guys who are learning, like those who are just beginners, for them, I just want to tell you the meaning of source code is nothing. The meaning of source code is the code that you will write in the Java language. Okay, in the professional language, call this thing as source code. So whatever the code you will write in Java will be termed as the source code. And after using the Java compiler is a part of JDK. Then the Java compiler will convert Java source code into the bytecode. Okay. And secondly, the interpreter executes the bytecode on the system. Okay, so for executing this bytecode, for converting this bytecode into the machine level language, so machine, your computer can understand. Okay, because computer is not able to understand your Java code. It also not able to understand the bytecode. Okay, it will understand only the machine code. So when JVM will be used, Java interpreter will be used, it will be converting your bytecode into the machine code. Okay, after converting this machine code, okay, your machine will able to execute what you have written in Java code. Okay, so I just want to tell you that if I just want to tell you this is the important point that I told you. So please, if you are not able to understand, okay, we will refer to the another slide. Try to understand on that. If still you have some doubt, okay, ask me in the comments. Okay, what is Java compiler? I will tell you. Okay, and how the code is compiled and how the code is interpreted so machine can execute code. Okay, so JVM is responsible for running the Java bytecode. Okay, so there is a term called JRE which is also included in the JVM. Okay, so here now we will go. This JRE is a Java runtime environment, okay, which is also responsible for running your Java code what you have written on your machine. So for the better understanding of Java compiler, how your source code will be converted to the bytecode, here you can refer. The compiler is a software that converts a program written in high level language. The meaning of high level language here can be Java, C++, Python, okay, to low level language, okay, object, target or machine language. So here your high level language is here. When you go inside the compiler will generate the low level language, okay, and that low level language, okay, will execute on your machine. Okay, that low level language will execute on your machine. But if there will be any error, okay, maybe you have done some mistake in your high level language or in your code what you have written in any of the language, okay, like Java, like Python or something else, okay, then this compiler will throw some errors. Okay guys, got it? So when this low level language code will generate, it can be executed on your machine. But like in like for you can say For some other language, it will be directly executed, but in terms of Java, this code will be the bytecode, and this bytecode will again going to be executed. Okay, this bytecode will again going to be translated, or you can say interpreted into what? Into the machine code. Okay, so that machine code can be executed. Okay, now here you can see this diagram. Here you can see my cursor. I hope you are able to see the writing code. Here is the .java file, the Java code that you have written. Then we will use compiler. After the compilation will be done, one .class file will be generated, and that .class file further interpreted, and this will generate the machine code. Okay, so after generating the machine code, okay, that machine code will be executed on your what, guys, on your computer. Okay, great, guys. So we will see the first Java program on the 7th slide, but before writing our first Java program, okay, we will going to download and install the JDK. So I will just going to open any of the browser, favorite one, and open. Okay, so here I have to get some this. Okay, so here my browser is open. Okay, so after opening the browser, what you just need to do, you just need to write here. You just need to write here download GDK, and that will be the enter. And here, guys, I hope you are able to see here Java downloads Oracle API. You should click here. Okay, so we are here, and then you can see the latest version of Java is Java 19 and 17 available. Okay, just scroll down a little bit. Here I recommend you, whatever the operating system you are using, you just need to click on that. If you are using Windows, just click on Windows. Here you can see Linux is also an operating system. If you are using, you need to download according to that. And Mac OS, if you are using, you need to click on Mac OS. I'm using Windows, I will click on Windows. Okay. So if you just want to download and install, okay, without taking so much stress on your head, you just need to click on this X64 installer. Just click on it, guys. I have already downloaded this file. Okay, so this file is already downloaded. You can see here the download already exists. I will click on cross. Okay, what I will do, guys, I will just minimize this. I will go to my file explorer. Okay, here you can see the downloads. Okay, here you can see this I have already downloaded. So I will just click on the right click. I will just select it and then do the right click, and then I will choose another straight. So guys, okay, take time. It is asking me, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Yes, I think yes. After clicking the yes, the Java, this JDK 19 installer will start. Okay, we just need to get some few minutes only. Then you will see it is taking some time. Okay, yeah, it's still taking some few seconds. Guys, it depends on your machine. Okay, like if you are using some advanced machine in terms of some advanced processor, maybe it will be i5, Intel Core i5 or Core i7, then it will execute rapidly. Okay, so I'm using the i3 on my machine, so that's why it is taking some few seconds. Okay, now the installer has been started. Let's say when to install this, click on the next. Okay, here you can see install Java SE Development Kit 2. So here it is important. Here is the path where your JDK19 will go to install. You just need to click on next. Okay guys, now this has been started. The installation process has been started. So it will take some few seconds. Okay, after taking this, our JDK will going to be installed on our computer. Okay, so it is taking some time. Just need to wait for a few more seconds. Okay. In the meantime, I just want to tell you that after that installation done, okay, here the installation has been completed. So if you will click on the next steps, okay, the browser will open one window where you will get to know about the some features of JDK19. It will redirect you on your browser, in the browser on Oracle website. I don't want to go there. I'm just click on close. So I want to confirm that it is downloaded or not. So for that, I will just go there. CMD. I'll just click on open. After opening it, I will just write Java hyphen version, and then I will hit enter. So here, guys, you can see it is the Java 19 we have. So we have done with the installation part. So now we are ready to write our first Java program. So for that, guys, I will recommend you now, as you have just started, okay, writing the code. I'll recommend you to use the Notepad. Notepad is the default editor in the Windows. Every operating system have at least one editor where you can edit, where you can write your code. So I'll just click on the Notepad, double click. If you want to open it here, you can go to back here, search, type note. Here you will see the app itself. Just click on open. So the new file will open. So like I can say from the beginning, you are learning the things. Okay, like when you were kid, you maybe you like your school teachers were teaching you about Hindi. Maybe some guys for Tamil, some guys for Telugu, some guys for Kannada. Okay, maybe different languages. Okay, so what you have noticed when you were kid, there is some proper way of writing and some proper way of for that particular language. In the same way, for programming language also, there is some particular way of writing things. We call this thing as the syntax. So what is the basic syntax for writing your code in Java is, I'm just showing you, you must need to write a class. And I want to tell you, you must need to note this point. Every Java program have at least one class. Okay, you just need to write a class, then class name. Suppose it is our first program, I'm writing first prop. Okay, so what's the meaning of this? Okay, like you can see here, the first capital is uppercase. You can say the first letter is the uppercase, capital letter. You must need to write this F. Okay. After that, you need to use the curly braces, starting and closing curly braces. So we have done with the class name. Don't worry about what is this class. Okay, I will teach you about what is class. Okay. Now after the class name declaration as our the first program. So guys, I want to tell you here, you must need to write this class. Okay, the name you can choose whatever you want to choose. It totally depends on you. But by convention, okay, by conventional methods, we must use the uppercase letter. Okay, first letter should be uppercase of the class name, and then you must need to write public, that void, then name, then here S should be capital for the string. Okay, you must need to write without S. Okay, like as class have its own limit. Limit means you can see it is the area of class. It is the starting brace and this is the closing brace. It means whatever you will write inside that which belong to this particular class. In the same way, this main method also have this main method also, why I'm stressing it so much, okay, I just want to tell you, in the same way the class have its own boundaries. The same way main method have also its own boundaries. It starts from the starting curly brace and the closing curly brace. Okay, here guys, I want to tell you the main thing. Here we are going to write the first line, which will going to be executed. Okay, the output of this line we can see on our screen. Okay, so what we will write here, we will write system should be capital out print and then bracket start bracket close. Okay, okay, double quote start. Okay, double quotes, and this is the starting and closing. Inside that, whatever the string you will write, you can see that on your screen. So I'm going to write. Okay. Okay, then you must need to mention this symbol of terminator. What the use of this terminator symbol? I want to tell you that the meaning of this symbol is very simple. Okay, like here you are using this terminator symbol. The meaning of this symbol is like every statement in Java, okay, is incompleted without using this. Okay, every statement. Okay, this is the complete statement itself. Okay, you must need to use this terminator symbol. So after that, what will happen? This your program will going to be going to the next line. Okay, after using this. Okay, so we have done with this. So I'm just going to click on file. Okay, and I before saving this file, I just also want to tell you that this main method. Okay, the program execution will always start from the main method. Whatever you have written inside the main method, okay, your compiler will start compiling the execution will start from the main method itself. Okay, the first line of the main method will execute. Okay, so I'm just going to click on file. I will just going to save as. Okay, so here now this is our first program. So I will just simply save this program on my desktop. I will just write whatever the name I use for my class. FIRST first prog dot Java. So first prog is the file name and .java is the extension. So your computer compiler can easily know that this program is the Java, this file is the Java file. Okay, I will just click on save button. Now my program has been saved. Okay, so I have written the program, everything I told you. Okay, so I will just minimize this, guys. Okay, again I will go to open the CMD. Okay, so guys, I told you where I have saved this Java file. Okay, don't forget that I saved this on the desktop. You can see it on my desktop screen. First prop here. So first I will change it to CD desktop. Okay guys, I am inside the desktop. You can see. Now I will go to use the Java compilers. How you can use the Java compiler? You must need to write Java. Then you just need to give one space. Then you must need to write the file name. File name is FIRST. Okay, then Java. Then you must need to hit the enter key. Okay guys, so we have done some mistake. Okay, the mistake is we have written the wrong name of our file. So you must need to write Java C. Okay, FIRST first prop. Okay, because this file is not able, this compiler is not able to detect this file. You can see here, file not found. So here you can see Java C first prop dot Java. Then you must need to hit the enter key. Okay, I hope there will be no error. So there is no error, but you can see guys here. Okay, in the meanwhile, just I created here one new file just got created. Okay, if I will just click on this, I will just click on the properties of this file. You can see this is the class file. Okay, so we have now the Java bytecode with us. Okay, and it is also on the desktop. So we just need to write Java. After writing the Java, you must need to write first. First. Okay, guys, you must need to write first proc. Then you must need to hit the enter key. And then you will see the output. Here you can see, hooray, it's my first program. Okay, so if you want to compare it with the code, I can minimize this. Okay, here you can see, guys, here you can see. Okay, so we have the output is hooray, it's my first Java program, and here we have written exactly the same thing. So I want to tell you, just don't go, okay, don't go inside like too much right now. What the meaning of the system, what the meaning of dot out. Okay, I will teach you each and everything. Now you must need to know this is the print ln. Okay, by using this print ln function, you can print whatever you want to print on your screen. So this is our first Java program that we have completed, and we have created it on our notepad also. So guys, we have done with this first lecture. I hope you understand the brief history of Java, what is JDK, what is Java compiler, and how we compile the code and how we execute the code. So if you like this lecture, okay, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and share this video with those guys who want to learn Java. So thank you so much, guys. Thanks a lot. We will meet in another lecture. Thanks.